Chongqing to the Chongqing, baby, Ciqikou. Eating my way through Chongqing, just doing my thing, living like a king. Cha 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 Chongqing. Just doing my thing, living like a king. Cha 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 Chongqing. Chongqing to the Chongqing, baby, Ciqikou. Eating my way through Chongqing, just doing my thing, living like a king. Cha 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 Chongqing.
So they got these little live music places in Ciqikou, and I've seen them in other places too, but they definitely have them in the tourist areas like this. So I kind of want to see what it looks like inside, briefly. And we are going to check out another one over there too, so stay tuned. Eating my way through Chongqing. So I'm in this area called Ciqikou, which is the ancient village. I'm going to put that up on the map so you can already see that, and I'm going to narrow it down. And then I also made the music and I put it into an AI program. So the lyrics are behind me as well. And just so you know, I have 39 videos of Chongqing. This is number, I think it's listed number, it's like I'm about halfway through. So I'm going to be narrating with a walk and talk, but subscribe and you'll see at least another 20 Chongqing videos. So yeah, I really love that city a lot. So let's get into it with a walk and talk. Let me see how to get up there. I think you might have to go up to get in there. I mean, like go up and around maybe. I don't know. There's another one over there called Weed Bistro. There's a hotel up there too. Oh, don't know how to get up there. But that one also says beer and drinks. I gotta eat. I still haven't eaten yet. I'm kind of caught up in the music. Yeah, so Ciqikou is basically this old ancient village. It kind of winds and weaves into, that looks pretty tasty too. I have had that before, it's pretty good. It's like corn. This one is oranges, because oranges are really famous in Chongqing. But it's off season right now. Oh, that smells so good. It's really fragrant, you can smell. I think those are for samples as well. I'm gonna get a sample here. It's a little tangy. Hello. Ooh. It's really hot. I didn't expect that. Now I need water so bad. These are the windy streets that I was remembering that I wanted to try to find. Oh, that was really hot. Oh my lord. I wasn't ready for that. I haven't had any water in a few hours, so. This is the Chongqing, this is the Ciqikou that I remember from before. So I came in, the first video that I did a little while ago was at the entrance gate. But this is the one I remember. It's just all these little windy roads everywhere with food and drinks. Oh, I should get something to drink. Maybe coconut. 15? Okay. So let's see. Let me get 15 out of here. Thank you. 谢谢. Ah, that's really good. I needed that. That after that spicy, I need to eat, but that is I also need liquids. Oh Lord. So we're kind of catching everything before the sun goes down. And I'm glad I found this because I wasn't so sure where I could take one. Thank you. Oh yeah. That's spicy. I think I'm gonna be able to eat. Oh, snacks in here. Got more here. So I think this is going to be a corn one. Hello. Ah, thank you. Now I'm trying this one. Yeah, this is like a corn. That's really tasty. I've had that before in Xi'an. That's really good.
Hello, you can try.
Oh, okay.
31.
Oh, okay.
31.
Thank you. Oh, it tastes sweet.
Rose one.
Oh,
Rose.
let's give that back. Oh, that one's good. Thank you. Thank you so much. I gotta focus on my coconut one. Oh, I think that's a fortune teller, maybe?
Hey,
hello, how are you? Oh, you got ice cream, all right.
ice cream. Very good.
Sounds good. So actually, you can just eat a lot of these desserts everywhere. Those are really good, those drinks, but they, of course, they want you to buy them, and I already got a drink in my hand. Delicious. Actually, I'd like to get some fresh orange juice. I had some fresh orange juice in Chongqing yesterday. It was so tasty. Hello. I'll try it. Thank you.
还有水花酥，要不要看一下？哎，要不要看一下？
I'll give this back to you.
水花酥呢？
Yeah, I'll try it.
哎，水花酥就这种，
Oh, it's really tasty.
这种。
Hello.
这个味道的。
I'll give this back to you.
爱不爱吃？
I put it in here. Oh, right here. There we go.
哎，
Thank
你
you.
尝尝这个，
Thank you.
要不要尝一下？
Easy. So, I think I also remember meandering the other time too. They want me to buy something, but I'm gonna. So all the way down. Hello. There's a lot of side streets, and they go up and down the hills as well. So they're kind of interesting. I'm gonna end up with another one of these in a second.
来里面的炒饭，里面味道都要试一下，什么味道？
谢谢 Thank you. I could say want me to buy it, but thank you.
今天逛一逛嘛，今天试味道呀。
Oh, it's really good. It's soft. Shishi.
不用谢。
It's really tasty. Okay. We've got another live music place. It looks like it's up there. That's actually one thing I kind of wanted to do is just go to these live music places. There's more for this street. I get a little taste of Ciqikou. The views, balconies. There's just kind of layers, so you just go up the hills. It's like this live music when they got the corner. You can go up the stairs, go up another layer. So it's kind of on top of each other. Kind of nice density to it. Kind of over the street, and we're gonna end it for Ciqikou before it gets too long. But I'm gonna do some more, so just kind of wait for that.